Hi friends, welcome to Siva Banking and Current Affairs Academy. I am very happy to share this wonderful moment with you. I got selected for IBPS clerk Andhra Bank, so I am very happy to share this moment with you. Friends, in this video I will explain how to prepare current affairs and how to score more marks in current affairs point of view. And new candidates, those who are preparing for competitive exams, for these candidates is very useful. And also many times those who are not secure good marks in current affairs point of view, for that candidates also this video is very useful. Let's we start. Friends, in general awareness category, especially you should focus on three category for banking point of view. In this general awareness banking exams, current affairs weightage is 65 to 70%. For example, out of 50 questions 30 to 35 questions there is a chance of asking from current affairs. And banking awareness, from banking awareness point of view, 10% means 5 to 6 questions, or sometimes there may be a chance of 10 to 15% is also in banking point of view. And in static GK, 20 to 25% like banking headquarters and international organization headquarters, director generals, establishment year, like that. From static GK point of view also 20 to 25% marks weightage in current affairs. National parks, thermal power plants and important stadiums, cricket grounds, like this static GK also important for current affairs point of view. Let's go through current affairs point of view, government and state schemes and policies. Friends, national affairs, in this government and state schemes and policies, from this topic there is a chance of asking questions. For covering national current affairs means central government schemes or state government schemes, and also policies launched by the state governments or union ministers. For example, due to COVID-19 pandemic, many states are launched different types of schemes. 5T testing plan related to Delhi government for testing COVID-19 pandemic, for testing COVID-19 patients, and policies and initiatives launched by central government and state governments. And also schemes are also launched by central government and state governments. Recently, central government has launched Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan scheme. So for this, that scheme details are also very important. Like that, government and state government schemes and policies important. And news related to banking and economy and RBI. Friends, news related to banking sector, related to economy and related to RBI. RBI is the head in banking sector which control entire banking system in India. If news related to head of the bank, that is RBI, it is very important. And news of national and international importance, news of national and international importance, this topic is very important. National and international important news, and in this topic international news are also covered. For example, presidential elections in other countries. Recently, Prime Minister of Israel got the win in elections. Like international news importance, like that famous books and authors, from this point of view, definitely 1 or 2 marks. Like who is the author of book name is so and so, like that. From that there is a chance of 1 or 2 marks from books and author topics. And also who released this book, on occasion of what, like question formation, like that. So we prepare very well, and the book name, who is the author, and who launched this book, on occasion of what this is launched, we will cover like this. You will definitely got 1 or 2 marks from this topic. And important dates and events, important dates and events celebrated in India on which date, and important dates in every date in month has importance. Like January 12th National Youth Day, and January 25th Tourism Day, and like that every date is an important. And also events which date scheduled and connected by whom, what purpose they will conduct, like that events are also very important. Next, in awards point of view, so many awards given by different state governments and institutions, non-governmental organization. Like this awards are presented in different categories: sports awards, journalism, like many awards are given. So from this awards topic, recently Madhya Pradesh state government has given award. Like state government awards and central government awards are also important. And summits, from summits point of view, important summit like G7 summit and G20, SAARC summit, Asian summit, and important norm summit, national alignment movement. Like these summits, and where this summit held, on which date, who is the chief guest, like that, who attended from our country, covering like this. From each topic you will definitely get 1 or 2 marks from each section. And next, appointment and resignations. From appointment and resignations, from appointment side, and who new, some countries got new prime minister wins in elections. And also ambassadors, Mobile Premier League appointed Tamanna Bhatia as its brand ambassador along with Virat Kohli, and Poker Stars appoints Mahendra Singh Dhoni. And recently Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan once again in the race of CM elections. Like that, appointments and resignations, important persons resignations are also important. Recently one of the deputy governor of RBI has resigned due to his tenure complete, due to the completion of his tenure as a deputy governor. Like that, important appointments and resignation point of view also important. Ranks and reports, friends. Ranks, India got different ranks in different indexes. The indexes which are released by different organization, different international organization and national organization are also report some indexes. In this point of view, how we learn means, what is the rank of India in this index, out of how many nations, top nation. Please be remember what is the rank of India in this index, and what is the top ranker, and who is the top country in this index, and also out of how many nations. Follow like this, it is important ranks and reports. And also reports point of view, some important reports released by the international organization, by World Health Organization and International Labour Organization. Recently on unemployment released, unemployment report released by organization. Like that, reports are also important. In science and technology point of view, science and technology point of view, and which are related to NASA and ISRO, like missions Gaganyaan, Chandrayaan missions. Like in point of view science and technology, these topics are covered. And sports news, friends, from sports news there is definitely 1 or 2 marks from sports news. For example, take one famous person in any sport, uh, Novak Djokovic. Novak Djokovic, he is a famous tennis player. Belongs to which country? Like that question. And US Open men's single winner, women's single winner, any tournament. And in this winner, runner, men's single, women's single winners. Like that, sports in news very important. And this sports news are also important, and mainly focus on current sports news. Current sports news. Recently, Women's T20 World Cup. From this point of view, if we will take who is the winner and runner, cash prize, like that, covering like that in any topic, it is very useful. And defense exercises. Defense exercises, friends. Defense exercise is very important. It is definitely 1 mark carry question in competitive examination. Defense exercises means India conducted exercise with USA, and India Nepal conducted exercise like Bold Kurukshetra, and exercise names like this Surya Kiran. These are the military exercises conducted between India with another countries. In this, we focus on which armed forces participated, like Army, Navy, Air Force. Which category of forces participated in this event, with which nation participation, and where this exercise will be done. So 3 points important in defense exercises: with which nation exercise conducted, and where is the place, and with which nation. These 3 points are important. And obituaries important. Famous persons like actors, actress, ministers, political people, former ministers, and other countries prime ministers, presidents, like that important persons, like that important persons. Please note, be remember important persons, those who are habituated recently. From that point of view also, 1 or 2 marks definitely. Next, friends, many people confuse how many months current affairs should be studied for to crack current affairs point of view or GK point of view. Last 6 months, when a candidate thoroughly update last 6 months current affairs, it is enough to get a good marks in GK point of view. Definitely, a candidate update his current affairs from last current 6 months, he will definitely score 80%. Definitely score 80% marks in GK section. 6 months current affairs is enough. And in banking point of view, how to prepare banking syllabus and from which topic. And in this, history of banking is very important. Sometimes in static banking awareness questions like this: oldest public sector bank in India and first public sector bank in India, first President's Bank. second President's Bank. And questions like this: SBI establishment year and previous name of SBI, old name of SBI, like questions like this. For this we prepare history of banking. When we prepare history of banking one time, it is enough. When we in examination time, just we will review and attempt the examination. And RBI history, its functions and monetary policy. RBI history and its functions and monetary policy. About RBI, it is important. It is the central bank in India. For that, we everyone to know about RBI. There is a chance of getting 1 or 2 marks from this topic: RBI history and its functions and monetary policy. When we read about RBI establishment year, act, coin minting places, note mudrana places, subsidiaries, and different types of functions of RBI, these are very important. And also monetary policy also important. Monetary policy decided by RBI by every 2 months. Like this, RBI history is very important. And money market, capital market. Money market, capital market point of view also important. Money market, it is for short term, and capital market, it is for long term. Money market is regulated by RBI and capital market is regulated by SEBI. Like that, both are important. And types of checks, ATMs, and type of banking. Friends, types of checks and ATMs and banking, these are very important. When we consider into ATM point of view, our first ATM in the world and first ATM in India established by which company and which year? From this very important is, when, please remember, checks point of view also don't confuse. Types of checks, ATMs, and types of banking: universal banking, retail banking, and like different types of bankings, please be remember. And inflation and its types. Inflation and its types, the levels of inflation are also important. And regulatory bodies. Friends, in the point of regulatory bodies, regulator bodies, for example, money market. Money market in India, which is regulated by Reserve Bank of India. And capital market is regulated by Security Exchange Board of India. And insurance policies related institutions managed by IRDAI, Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of India. And related to pension, PFRDA, Pension Fund Regulatory Development Authority. From this, the headquarter, establishment year, present chairman, these are the important. And important banking terms and abbreviations. Important banking terms and abbreviations. Abbreviation is very important. For example, LAF, liquidity adjustment facility, and MICR, magnetic ink character recognition, and OCR, optical character reader. Like this, important for abbreviations. Important abbreviations. From abbreviation point, like full abbreviation, there is a chance of asking full abbreviation. And in specific letter, from specific letter are also. For example, MICR, in which I stands for, like this question or leda, or MICR stands for. Next, banks, headquarters, establishment year, and taglines. Banks, headquarters, establishment year, and taglines. In static GK point of view, national parks, tiger reserves, and bird sanctuaries. National parks, tiger reserves, and bird sanctuaries. For example, national parks: Kaziranga National Parks, Assam; Jim Corbett, Uttarakhand, like that. And airports and dams. International airports, in which city or in which state specific airports have. like and important sports related trophies and awards, important sports related trophy and awards, and international organization headquarter, for example World Health Organization headquarter, or International Monetary Fund headquarter, International Labour Organization, United Nations International Children's Education Fund headquarter, OECD headquarter, like that all international organization headquarters and present director general or chairman very important, and union cabinet minister portfolios and their constituencies also important. Who is the present civil aviation minister? Who is the present panchayat raj minister? Who is present defense minister or finance minister, or like that present union minister portfolios are also. Who is the present ministry of social justice and empowerment, like that portfolios of ministers is very important. Along with portfolios constituencies of ministers also important, and capital and currency of countries, capitals of our Indian states or international important countries capitals are also very important, and currencies and important president and PM of various countries, recently appointed president or prime minister of various countries are also important, and state CMs and governors, and nuclear and thermal plants, important cities on river bank in India. From this it is also very important cities on river bank in India. For example, Kurnool is a city which is river bank of, it is a bank of Tungabhadra, like that important cities on river bank in India. Important dance of states, for example Kuchipudi, Bharatanatyam, like that important dance of states. Friends, in current affairs or GK point of view, and one examination carries different types of marks. For example, in RRB PO or officer scale 1 point of view, total number of 40 questions and 40 marks. In this exam there is no sectional timing, and RRB clerk or office assistant point of view, total 40 questions, 40 marks, no sectional timing. And SBI PO question exam, 40 questions, 40 marks. In this sectional time is 35 minutes. And SBI clerk 50 questions, 50 marks in 35 minutes. And IBPS PO exam 40 questions, 40 marks and 35 minutes. And in IBPS clerk 50 questions, 50 marks and 35 minutes. 35 minutes, it is enough time to crack good marks in general awareness category. Friends, this is the important information about current affairs point of view or general awareness point of view in banking exams. Please subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.